Once the photovoltaic prototypes have been created, we can place them within the project. Under the third icon, we will find the complete list of prototypes created. In this case renamed sloped roof and flat roof. We can select the one we want to use. The prototype compatibility diagram is shown in the table on the right. We can therefore see if the prototype is suitable for a sloping roof, a flat roof, a wall system, or a ground system. For the positioning of the prototypes, we have two modes available: the manual mode and the automatic fitting mode. Let's go now to examine the manual mode. Once the coverage to be used has been identified, simply click on the manual mode icon and, holding down the mouse button, transport the photovoltaic module to the desired position. The prototype will be automatically aligned with the building, and we should just place it where we prefer. At this point, we have several accessories at our disposal to be able to intervene and modify the system. We can move the photovoltaic panel along the two axes or freely. We will be able to stretch the row of modules, going to insert or remove the photovoltaic panels. The same option can also be used by manually typing the number of modules that we want to be part of the row. We then have the option of duplicating the row of modules. We can enter the number of times we want the copy to be made, and the distance to be maintained between one copy and another. The distance that is automatically entered refers to the minimum distance to be maintained to prevent the rows from overlapping each other. As was the case with all the other objects inserted within the scene, also in this case we have the possibility to activate the command quotas. We can thus verify the distance of the modules from the boundaries of the building, and decide to go and modify them according to our needs. The dimensions can be displayed in reference to each corner of the modules, in order to verify any type of distance. Let's now move on to placing the prototypes on a flat roof. We can verify the compatibility of the selected prototype with the flat roofs. Let's now identify the coverage to be used. As before, simply click on the manual mode icon and transport the photovoltaic module to the most desired position. This time, the modules will automatically align to the south. Obviously, we have the possibility to intervene on the orientation angle of the panels. Just indicate the angle we want, or select the side of the building towards which we want the modules to be aligned. The grades will be updated automatically. By dragging the prototype back into the scene, we can see that it will now be aligned with the side indicated by us. Also in this case, we can intervene with various options on the positioned modules. We can stretch the rows by adding and removing panels. We can duplicate the rows. We can freely move the modules and rotate them. And, once again, we can activate and intervene on the quotas.